Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on February 16th briefed media persons regarding the ongoing load shedding. The Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited has announced that it shall withdraw load shedding in the state. The announcement was made in MECL's official Facebook handle by the chairman and managing director on February 16th. The state had further announced to impose load shedding from February 14th until further notice, considering the low water level of Umiam Water Reservoir.
You are aware that the cabinet of Government of Meghalaya had cleared a loan to be taken by MECL through the REC amounting to 1,345 crores. This amount was part of the Atmanirbhar program of Government of India, which was availed by all the states. The objective was to enable the state utilities, the companies, to pay the different generation companies like NIPCO, NHPC, NTPC, PGCIL, OTPC, and other such generation companies, the dues that were there for many, many years. So for Meghalaya, keeping all the factors in mind, along with late charges, the amount came to 1,345 crores. Government of India and the REC had decided to release the amounts in two tranches. So 672.86 crores and 672.86 crores in the second tranche. The government and the REC, I should say, the REC has approved the first tranche of 672 crores, and out of this amount 336.43 crores has already been released to the different agencies. So out of the 1,345 crores, an amount of 336 has been released. We are still have not released the rest of the 75%, which is with REC, not with the state government. And as you're aware, that this amount that has been approved by REC and Government of India, the funds are released from REC straight to the generation companies. So the funds also are not routed through the state government. They are released directly. Out of the 336.43 crores, which was released in the first part of the first tranche of 672 crores, 127 crores was paid to NIPCO, 14 crores to NHPC, 144 crores to NTPC, and approximately 25 crores was paid to PGCIL. So therefore, the second part also is left, which REC will be clearing very soon of the first tranche itself. Recently, the regulation that has been put in on the power sector in the state has been done by the PGCIL, where certain amount, which was again part of this Atmanirbhar program of 1,345 crores, has not yet been released by the REC. So therefore, there are certain processes which are in place, but the PGCIL decided that without waiting for the REC's approval or REC's release, that they would go ahead with the regulation that they have done in the state. So this is not done because of the generation companies, but from the transmission company, which is PGCIL. So they have discussions have taken place with PGCIL. We had decided as a government this morning that we will discuss with PGCIL and negotiate with them and find a way forward. After telling you the entire background of everything, I'm happy to inform the citizens of the state and all the consumers of the state that the load shedding will be removed completely in the next 24 hours. So there will be no load shedding in the state at all. We have discussed it with PGCIL, and necessary steps are being taken to ensure that the load shedding is completely taken out. In this regard, I would like to take this opportunity also to appeal to our citizens of the state and to all the consumers of MECL that if we want MECL to become healthy again and to ensure that there is proper power supply, we need to ensure that our bills are paid on time. We need to ensure that MECL is strengthened financially. We are going with the process of putting in smart meters, and this would ensure that the proper billing comes up, and anybody who's trying to reduce any kind of consumption patterns out here will come out transparently. So this will be a process which will restructure and redefine the way MECL works, and I would urge our citizens to please cooperate with that and to ensure that everybody pays their bills on time, and that is the only way for us to make sure that MECL becomes healthy again and we're able to see a true transformation in the power sector.
TNT Bureau.